Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a GoPro Hero 9 Black accessory haul and unboxing. I've got a few different accessories here that we're going to unbox and put on my GoPro. I've got the sleeve and lanyard. It's the silicone sleeve. You can put that right on your camera. It's super handy, so we'll unbox that. We've got the GoPro Media Mod, so it allows you to have a microphone as well as add accessories to your GoPro Hero 9 Black. We'll unbox that and put it on the camera, as well as I've got the Zeus Mini, which is a swivel clip for your backpack with an LED light that's rechargeable for this as well. So we're gonna unbox all of that. If you're interested in any of this, I will have links below in the description and you can check them out for yourself and pick them up here. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we're bringing you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right into unboxing this accessory haul. So all of these accessories I did buy online and they just all showed up the other day. So let's go ahead and start out with the silicone sleeve, then we'll move into the media mod and then the Zeus Mini at the end. So the sleeve and lanyard, it's for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I did buy the blackout edition, so the black one. It says it's got a lifetime warranty on that. It's got a nice long kind of cord. It shows them hanging it around their neck and connecting to the GoPro. So we'll go ahead and open that one up right now and throw it on the GoPro. Slice that open there. If you need one of these, this is handy for opening all your boxes. It's got a small little blade on there. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. Saves you cutting yourself when you're opening up boxes like this. All right, so that's what it looks like there. You can see it's got a nice long cord or cable, a good 18 inches long there, nice and long. It's got the selfie screen hole here, as well as it protrudes out to protect your lens. And it's got an opening here for the folding fingers on the bottom of your GoPro, as well as cutouts for your microphones and your buttons, etc. So let's go ahead and put that right in there, just like that. Goes in through the backside. Ooh, that's a nice tight fit. That definitely fits on there nice and tight. You can see how that looks. Super sleek. And let me put that around my neck here. So it's super handy if you want to film, you can do that just like that. Or if you want to pull it off, just push on the buttons here and it releases. You can use it for filming and then throw it right back onto the lanyard around your neck. As well as those fingers just fold out the bottom. So if you want to connect it to a selfie stick or something like that, it's super easy to do. And that is called the GoPro sleeve and lanyard. All right, so next up is the GoPro Hero 9 Black Media Mod. This is the one I'm most excited about. It's kind of like a case that goes around your GoPro, and it's got an external mic as well as some mounts to add. You can add screens on there, lights or other microphones, etc. It's weather resistant. It's got a directional mic, a 3.5mm mic port. So if you have external mics, that's awesome. HDMI out port as well as a USB-C port. And we'll throw that on the GoPro here in a second. A limited lifetime warranty. So let's go ahead and open that one up. All right, so what do we have here? We've got some instructions for that right there. It looks like we have a screw for mounting it, as well as we've got, how does that come out? Your GoPro mount. So these are your typical ones that you flip the rubber piece up and you pinch that together for holding it. And there's a kind of a wind sock, or not really a dead cap, but to help with wind. And here is the the media mod itself. Just make sure there's nothing else in there. So there's the media mod right there. So again, there's the mic there. It looks like there's one in the front as well as in the back. I think you have to select which one you want to use. On top here, you've got your record button as well as a shoe mount. You've got your power button. On this side, another shoe mount. So let's go ahead and install that. So I think what you do is you pull down on this and the whole side opens up just like that. And we're gonna have to take the door off the side of our GoPro to put it in there, because on the inside of here, there is a USB-C connector. So that's gonna have to go into the side of the GoPro. So what we do to remove the door on our GoPro, just open up the side just like that. And you lift it up and you should be able to just pop it off at an angle like that. So your whole door will come off. And then we're going to take our GoPro and slide it right into the media mod, just like that. And that USB-C connector that's in there will go right into the side of the GoPro. And then we can go ahead and close the door on the side, just like that. And it is in there. So now, and you still got your fingers that can fold out on the bottom, everything like that. But now we can have an external microphone on there, all sorts of cool stuff. So that's what that does. See if it turns on and see what happens. So it turns on just as it would before. Media mod connected. The mic is set to the front. Tap video settings to change it or set it up as a shortcut. So it sets up really quickly, just like that. And there's some flaps here. Oh, cool. So there's some rubber flaps here on the side that when you open these up, there behind there's your you've got HDMI as well as USB-C and your mic input, your 3.5mm mic input there as well. So that is really cool. I can't wait to play around with that and show you what that looks like. So one last thing with the media mod is it does come with this wind filter or windscreen. That just goes on just like that and pops on. And that should help protect if you're filming in a windy location, reducing some of the wind noise. So that's super handy and easy to put on. All right, let's move on to the Zeus Mini. And what the Zeus Mini is, it's a swivel clip for your backpack as well as a light mod. So you get both of those in there. It's waterproof to 33 feet, so you can take this light underwater. It's rechargeable, 360-degree rotation, as well as GoPro mount compatible. And this is the Zeus Mini combo kit. Let's go ahead and slice that open. Let me just slice those there. What we got here? Oh, stuff is falling out on me. All right. We have some instructions. We'll just toss those down there. And some of the accessories are already falling out. So another one of those mount clips for you to use. It looks like there is, let's pull this out here. There is kind of a shoe mount for the light. You've got the metal screw. Now I really like these metal screws way better than these longer ones that I got with the media mod. So they're nice and small and metal and they don't stick out as much. I got one with my shorty stick as well from GoPro and I really like those versus these ones. So that's handy. I really like that that came. Came with a USB-C cord there, as well as here is the light mod. So that's cool. That's all of that stuff. So there's the light mod right there. So there's some lights. So that looks like there's 10 LED lights, as well as there's a diffuser that it comes with just like that. That should just pop on there. On the side, it looks like there's a little switch we pull and it pops open so you can charge it right on the side just like that. And as well, it came with the swivel clip for your backpack. Oh, that's some nice tension on there. So we'll hook that all up in a moment. Let me try and turn this on. Hopefully there's some juice in there. Oh, there is. I don't know if you can see that. Well, that's brighter. Even brighter. Oh, that's really bright. Oh, it strobes as well. That's cool. So if you're in an emergency situation, that would be really cool to have as well. You can use that as a strobe. I'm not sure how to turn this off. There we go. Hold it down and it turns off. Okay, let's hook it up to the clip here. So the Zeus Mini or the light should just go right into this accessory clip, just like that. Let me. Oh, I can't see anything. I'm blinded by the light. Should I break out in song right now? Blinded by the light. Okay, so that's on there. You put that little clip on the bottom. All right, so we got it in. Super easy to put in. But so this is rotating a 360-degree swivel, so that's super handy. It's got the light in there. So I have a backpack here. If you want to clip it on a backpack, you can easily do that just like that. Just clip it on there, and that'll stay on there if you're filming as you're going and you need some light. The other thing is you can put your GoPro in here as well, so that's super handy. I like that swivel clip for when we travel. It'll be really handy on there. Now, if I push this, this should actually release that light. Now I want to actually see how this fits on the media mod here as well. So I can actually just slide that onto the media mod, I hope. Yep, just like that. So now when I'm filming with this, I can just turn that on and film. And that's super handy. I like that. So let's see how my GoPro actually fits on this swivel clip now. I'm going to use my GoPro Hero 8 black because the 9 is actually covered in all sorts of accessories. We'll put that in there, put the screw in there, tighten that down. All right, that's nice and tight. And we'll grab my backpack here. And again, that should just fit right onto your backpack like that. And you can film walking around, maybe you're hiking, doing something like that. So that swivel clip is super handy for the light as well as using for your GoPro. I actually bought it more for my GoPro than actually the light itself. I wanted the light for the media mod and the clip for the GoPro. So super excited to use all these accessories. We've got the Zeus Mini with the swivel clip. We've got the media mod on my GoPro, as well as we've got the silicone case or sleeve and lanyard with the long lanyard. Really excited to try these accessories out. So I hope you enjoyed this GoPro Hero 9 black accessory haul and unboxing. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You'll find all those links as well as the links to these products below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.